Hey guys, what's going on? It's Billy here from the best place to buy gold online. If you haven't done so already, go and check out my website, goldfinancial.de, and go ahead and register yourself a free report on why now is the perfect time to be owning gold. So, the UK's out. Vote proves a game changer for US stocks, oil and gold. Dow Jones dropped 610 points as gold prices jumped to their highest levels since October 2013 following the results of the EU referendum. And for those of you who have already spoken to, and those of you that obviously watch this this content on this video channel, and you're obviously buying gold, and you know, the smart money moves into the sound investments. So we all know this is coming, and I believe this is just going to be a catalyst for what is eventually going to happen, and we're going to see the collapse of the financial markets. So it's already starting to happen now. So US markets fell sharply on Friday as American traders tried to reckon with a newly uncertain future in the wake of the shock leave result of the UK Brexit referendum. So all the major US markets suffered losses, with the Dow Jones diving 608 points, a fall of 3.39%, and the S&P lost 76 points, a fall of 3.6%. And the technology-heavy Nasdaq was the biggest loser of the day, falling 202 points, or 4.1%. Voters in the UK had appeared to be leaning towards staying in the European Union, and the stock markets around the world had rallied ahead of the vote. The decision to leave sent the pound into a spiral and triggered a sell-off in Asian markets. Then the European and then the US markets were to follow. So I've just got off I watched an interview with James Rickards and another guy, I forget his name now, but this broadcast and this interview went out before the results had come in for the Brexit, and he basically just turned around and said that the pound was overvalued, and looking at the price charts, I believe he was right. The pound was overvalued, and this was an overreaction. The markets were rallying because they thought that we were going to stay in the European Union, and regardless of whether we stayed or not, he maintains, and he has some very good facts to back it up. I can't remember them all now, as it was something I was listening to in the background, and something I will update you all on later with that information. But he said, because of the overvalued in the pound, whether we were going to stay in or not, the pound would eventually lose its value and be revalued, because there's no way on earth that the European Union would allow us to continue to keep the pound the longer we stayed in the EU. So regardless of that, whether we stayed or not, this was eventually going to happen anyway. As you know, we always have a recession every 7 to 8 years, and it's kind of methodical when it happens, because this happened on exactly 7 years, 7 months, and 7 days after the financial crisis of the 29th of September 2008. So call me conspiracy theorist, whatever you want to call me. I think that was rather a coincidence. However, this was going to happen eventually, and it's just now that the fact that we have voted out has been a catalyst to send these markets into a spiral. So there you have it. Just my thoughts on this. I'll leave the link in the description of this article below. Quite an interesting read. I won't go on. It does go on a fair bit, and I'll be here for quite a while. But an interesting read nonetheless from the Guardian. So I hope you got value. If you did, feel free to like, comment, share, and please drop your thoughts below. I want to get some more engagement on this this channel, and want to start a conversation and get a bit of a community going. You know, it's not all about me promoting what I'm promoting. It's really more about getting the information into the right hands. So if you got value from this, feel free to like, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.